And my idea is to draw a shark on this side and make this a haunted house under the sea. But now, I don't know. Would a shark just look weird here?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers. Tell everyone what you do, Happy Thoughts.
I keep everyone feeling motivated and inspired.
And hard work. What's your job?
To help you have fun and just be chill. Nope, that's also my job.
So true. Try again.
Fine, I do the work. Just the work.
That's more like it. Let's get started. Today we're going to draw a haunted house under the sea.
Woohoo! Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, boy!
Let's go. The first thing we're going to do is draw a line right down the middle of the page. See how we have the same amount of space on both sides? Next, come up from the bottom of the page just a little bit and make a dot on that line. Next, we're going to draw a curved line that goes down to the bottom corner on each side. Tracing over that line, we're going to make a bumpy line. This is the ground.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Come down from the top of the page and draw a short line across. Then draw two long lines going down to the ground. On top of this box, draw two short lines that stick out. Draw a dot right here, and then connect it to the sides to make a triangle. Then, sticking out from the bottom of your triangle, make a line and a curlicue on each side. Now, looking at this tall box that we drew, find the middle of it and make a dot on this line. From that point, we're going to move over to the side and stop right here. It's about halfway between the side of the page and that dot that we drew. Make another dot. Connect both dots with a straight line.
A strong plan makes a strong finish.
Find the middle of that line, come up here and make a dot. We're making another triangle. At the bottom of that triangle, draw some more curlicues. From here to here, let's fill that in with a dark line. Over here, we're going to draw another line that goes down to the ground. To make this look like a spooky haunted house, we want this line to be tilted, so it's going to come down over here. And we're going to go ahead and erase some of these extra lines. Now let's look at this space right here. See if you can find the middle, and then make a dot. Now moving out to the side, right in the middle of this space, make another dot. Draw a line down to the ground and a line connecting the dots.
You're making something only you can create. How awesome is that?
Find the halfway point in this box and make another line down to the ground. Next, we're lining up with the bottom of this triangle and the side of this box. Draw a line from here to here. Lining up right here, draw another line. Do you see how this part of the house is tilted? We'll come out here, make a dot, and another triangle.
Creativity means making it your way. It's okay to be different here.
And we'll make another curlicue on this side. On top of this shape, we're going to draw a couple of lines to make a porch. And then a bunch more lines that are sort of crooked. Because this is a haunted house, and it looks even more spooky if we make our lines a little crooked. Draw another porch underneath with a straight line here and another railing. Now we can erase this line. All right, we have a porch on this side, and my idea is to draw a shark on this side and make this a haunted house under the sea. But now, I don't know. Would a shark just look weird here?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Tell you what, let's take a quick look at the Dream Keepersbook. Let's turn to the page where the Dream Keepers are in a sailboat up in the clouds. Oh, right here. They're on this amazing journey with the little star. It could be smooth sailing for a while, but often a time comes when the path ahead will look impossible.
Don't give up.
When stars give up on reaching for the sky, they become lost dreams. This is where many dreams end. Oh, look at the lost dreams over here. They look so sad because they gave up on reaching for the sky. What can we learn from this? Well, every big accomplishment starts at the bottom. All you have is your imagination wondering if it's possible. So make it a really big dream. Then take one step at a time. Start with your imagination and please don't give up.
If you can dream it, you can draw it. Okay, dreaming is done. Now let's make it happen.
Yeah, let's do this. We're going to make it a really big dream. This is going to be a whole undersea scene, so the shark is going to look great there. Let's do it. As soon as Cooper is done passing through. Okay, find halfway in between here and come out under the curlicue and make a dot. Make 2 more dots on the side of the house like this, and then connect them with curved lines. To make a fin, draw a straight line going up to here, stop, and then a curved line back down. Right under that curved line, let's draw an eye and a spooky, angry eyebrow. Lined up with the eye, but over here next to the house, we're going to start the big smile with some curved lines. And let's fill that in with some zigzags to make pointy teeth.
Let's keep dreaming big. What's next?
Inside of each triangle, we're going to draw a few more dots and some straight lines. This is some detail for the roof. Now it's time to draw some windows. Start with a big bump and then draw some lines inside. The lines don't have to be perfectly straight. It actually looks more spooky if they're kind of crooked.
I see you putting in the work. That's what makes a great artist.
Right in the middle of this space, we're going to make a circle for a window. Lined up with the porch, let's make a straight window over here. of that, we're going to make a crazy window.
Great things start with great dreams. So dream even bigger.
In this section, we're going to draw a door and some creepy stairs. Right here, make a short line. Make 2 long lines down to the ground. Right in the middle, draw a line. Then come just inside, make a few more dots, and connect those dots to make a door. And then a little circle for a doorknob. In the middle of the bottom section, draw a straight line across, and then have it stick out on the sides. Just under that, draw another long line and connect it on the sides. Make the bottom step with just a couple more lines sticking out down here. And we have room for one more step on top. Erase the extra lines inside of each step.
We're working hard and we're working smart too. Let's get it done.
Now it's time to draw the background under the sea. Right in here, make a dot, and same thing on the other side. Come out to the edge of the page and make another dot, and in between there, we're going to make this wavy, crazy sort of line. And from here to here, same thing. We're drawing some spooky seaweed. To draw a fish, start with an oval, then make a triangle that overlaps right at the end. And then erase the parts that are overlapping. Draw a dot for the eye and a little smile. Let's draw lots of fish that look like they're going into the haunted house.
You're almost there. Now let's finish big. Finish big? That means no shortcuts. Let's get it right.
Let's add some bubbles. And some wavy lines inside the seaweed. Now it's time to trace over the pencil with some marker. I'm using an orange marker for the outside of the fish, and for the face I'll use a skinny black marker. That way we can really get the detail just right. This one has sort of a scary face, but that's good because he's close to that shark. We could draw one of the fish looking a little bit scared of the spooky house. Maybe he's searching for a hidden treasure and needs to go inside. Would he give up or would he keep going? What do you think would happen next? Now it's time to erase the extra pencil lines. And then we color it in.
Pick the colors that make you happy.
And there we go, a haunted house under the sea.
I'm so proud of you. Well done.
Thanks for drawing with us today. Are you proud of the art you made? Remember, the Dream Keepers can help you anytime you ask. Happy thoughts?
I'm here for you all the way.
And hard work.
You ask, I deliver.
Together, they can help you make any dream come true. This was fun. See you next time. Keep dreaming and keep drawing.
Bye.
See you later. Toodaloo!
To get the Dream Keepers book or schedule an author illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.